Most beginners do this manually, but flash fill can do it automatically in seconds. So what is flash fill? Flash fill detects patterns and repeats them automatically. It's a smart feature available in Microsoft Excel that automatically fills your data when it sees a pattern. So in certain cases you don't have to put formulas, just use flash fill to fill data. The shortcut for flash fill is Ctrl E. So in this case we are splitting full names. So if your data has names and you want to split the name, say the first name or the last name, so you just have to type the first name for the first instance. It's like showing an example to Excel. So type the first example, in this case I'm saying John. So Excel knows that I want the first name. Then use Ctrl E. So Excel automatically takes the first name from all the instances, from all the examples, and separates the first name. Excel detects a pattern and separates the first name from all the examples. You can also combine first and last names. In this case I've combined John and Smith. So to repeat the pattern, say Ctrl E. To flash fill, I'll say Ctrl E. It says we looked at all the data and did not see a pattern for filling the values. So I'll give one more example so that Excel understands the pattern. I'll go to the second one and say Ctrl E. You see it fills the rest. So this also works in the reverse direction. So you can use flash fill to split names and even to combine names. If you're liking the video, please subscribe to our channel. It helps produce useful videos like this. Let's see a few more examples of flash fill. You can use flash fill to extract a username from emails. In this case, let's say I want username from emails. Just give one example. So I've given two examples to Excel so that it understands the pattern. I'll do Ctrl E now. So you see it extracts the username from emails. So you can use flash fill to extract username from emails. You can use flash fill to format phone numbers as well. So let's say your Excel data has phone numbers in this format and you want to format it this way with a hyphen in between. Just give a couple of examples to Excel and then use Ctrl E to flash fill. Excel will format the rest of the phone numbers as well. As you can see, it's a great time saver. You can use flash fill to fix capitalization issues. Many times in your data you will find names are incorrectly formatted, something like this, where the first letter is in small case and the rest of the letters are in uppercase. So just give Excel the right format, give it one example, and then you can flash fill. So it will fix all the other entries as well. So use flash fill to fix capitalization issues. You can even use flash fill to extract specific parts from your text. So in this case, if your order numbers are formatted in this way, you can extract, say, the city from the order. So I'll tell Excel that I want city from the order number. So I'll give it one example and then I'll do Ctrl E to flash fill. It removes city from all the order numbers. Next, we'll take a look at the issues you might face when using flash fill. Flash fill may not work when there are not enough examples. So let's say I want to combine both the names. So I've given one example. When I do Ctrl E, it says Excel does not see a pattern for filling in the values. So basically what Excel is trying to say is that there are not enough examples, so it does not see a pattern. So I'll put one more example and now I'll do Ctrl E. You see it has combined the names for the remaining rows. So flash fill may not work if there are not enough examples. Flash fill will also not work if there are blank rows or gaps in the data. So here I have inserted a blank row. Now when I do a flash fill, you see it stops just before the blank row. If you want flash fill to properly fill all the rows, make sure there are no blank rows or gaps in the data. When there are no blank rows, flash fill works fine. Similarly, make sure there are no inconsistent patterns in your data so that Excel does not get confused. Flash fill is like formula in a way. So compared to formula, flash fill is quick. You don't have to type any formulas. But formulas has its own advantages. It is dynamic and it updates automatically when you update the cell values. So use flash fill whenever you need to clean or restructure text quickly. Use flash fill when you need to quickly combine or reformat text without writing formulas. It recognizes patterns in your data and automatically fills the rest of the column for you. So it's quite handy and saves a lot of time when working with data. So that's all in this video. Do subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video.